Aloha for crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. It's our last day of the swap of the 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. It is day 24. This is my 24th gift to my swap partner, who is Sandra from Stocked and Stuffed. I will leave her link as well as the other participating ladies in the description box below so you can go check it out. I hope you've enjoyed everything. Sandra, I curated for you in this swap, and this was so fun to participate in. Merry Christmas to everyone. So her last gift is a bottle of gel glaze or tube of gloss gel medium. I hope that's the same thing as Glow J's. It might not be, but I'm so sorry. This is what I got for you. And yeah, thank you for following along. Thank you for all your love and support. I appreciate my subbies. If you're new here, welcome. Please join us on this crafty adventure by subscribing to my channel and following along. You can click this notification bell. It'll notify you when I do upload crafty videos like these or any Disney videos, as I am a Disney lover. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. I hope the season was good to you. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you before the new year. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.